Hi UI 100 students, I am Dr. Belvin. I will be your UI 100 instructor this fall semester. What I wanted to do here kind of at the top part of the website is to just have a brief video that demonstrates how to navigate the course website, okay? Especially for some of you, if you've never operated in this system before, if this is the first online class you've ever taken, I want to make sure that you know how things are laid out in this particular class. So where I'm at right now, I'm right here at the top of the website. You see this welcome sign. As you scroll down, you'll see a heading here. It says begin course here. I have some information here, a little bit more information about myself and some pictures. This is the link to this video that you're looking at. What you will find throughout the website is every week I'll have a video posted, one or two videos depending on if I've combined kind of my lecture with my discussion of the assignments. Often those are separate, and there'll be a few times where they'll actually be together just because of the brevity of the video. But what you'll find is the link to my video and then also an outline of what I've discussed in the video. It is in your best interest to watch the video and not just rely on the outline. If for some reason it helps you to learn better to read the words while I'm speaking, I've embedded all of these videos in YouTube. When you click on the link and the video begins, you'll see a little button on the YouTube video that says CC. That stands for closed captioning. You can click on that button and enable closed captioning, and then the words will pop up when I'm speaking. It's relatively accurate. Every once in a while I'll see it, it'll pop, some weird word will pop up and it's not something that I said. So, but I wanted to make sure that you knew that that option was available. Here under the Tools for Success heading, you'll see a couple of different documents. I have something called an assessment document, or the more informally titled, How Can I Get a Good Grade in This Class document. When you click on this link, I'll kind of show you here, I tell you how you're going to be assessed in the course. I've got some information here, and then can't quite see it over here, but you'll be able to see it on your screen. There's some little arrows that'll take you through to the different pages. I talk about the different quizzes, the forums, the journals, all the different ways, quizzes, that you're going to be assessed in the class. So make sure that you review that carefully. I also have two different rubrics, a forum rubric and a journal rubric, because you will have a few of these assignments. They'll kind of give you an idea as to how I score those, and so make sure that you're familiar with those parameters. I have a link here to my Twitter feed. It's SEMO UI 100. This is actually for all of my classes, all of my UI 100 classes, and I teach some face-to-face sections as well. Tend to post kind of general information about what's happening at the university. Sometimes I'll post assignment reminders. If you have a Twitter account, please feel free to go out and follow me. I will not follow you back, so don't be concerned about that. If you don't have a Twitter account, don't have any intention to, no problem. If every once in a while you want to go out and click on that, you can kind of have an idea as to what I've posted. There's a link here for class announcements. Every time I post a class announcement, it will actually generate an email to you. But if you want to go back and take a look at all of those announcements, you can click on this link and it will take you right there. Have a heading here for your course syllabus. This is the syllabus for this UI 100 course. I feel so strongly that you need to be aware of everything that's in the syllabus, that one of the first assignments that you'll have during the first week is to take a quiz over the syllabus. So you need to make sure that you are familiar with what is in this document, okay? It is a Word document, should be easy to pull up, and it's right here. You can just kind of scroll through it. Make sure that you go through it carefully. Like I said, you will have a quiz over that, so make sure that you're familiar with the information in that syllabus. Have a heading here also in this first block called Final Project Information, and a couple of videos that describe those projects. These are the final paper and presentation assignments that you are working towards that will be due at the end of the semester. I always try to post it in the top block of info because I want you to be aware as to what it is you're working towards. But don't let it freak you out yet, okay? Because like I said, we're going to be kind of working through this information as we go through the semester. But I did want to go ahead and give you an idea as to what those assignments are going to be. Once you start getting into the weekly blocks of information, they are organized in the same way. So you have a heading that says outline, objectives, and questions. Every week, you're going to need to click on this outline to take a look at what the weekly objectives are, a little recap of the resources that I'll be providing you, your assignments, and a little what not to forget. So that's kind of a handy place for you to check to make sure that you know what's going on every week. I've also provided you every week with a forum posting that gives you an opportunity to post a question about the material for the week. A lot of times students will just email me their questions, and that is fine. If you have a question that I think might be a common one, I'll probably go ahead and post it back out to this forum. This gives you all an opportunity to see what questions your classmates are answering. And if you see a classmate asking a question that you know the answer to, please go ahead and answer it. You might be able to get to it quicker than I do. And so make sure that you go ahead and answer that question if you see somebody post something, like I said, that you know the answer to. Okay? Every week I'll have a video and information about documents that you need to review, articles that you need to read, if there's a textbook reading, if there's another type of video that I want you to watch. And then every week, of course, you'll have different assignments that you will need to complete. All assignments are going to be due by the Sunday night of the week that you're in at 11:59 p.m., unless otherwise noted. There are a couple of assignments over the course of the semester where I might give you 2 weeks to work on them as opposed to just one, and I will note that in one of my videos. But just kind of make sure that you're paying attention to those assignments. That's obviously critical to your success in this class. That's just a really brief overview of how to navigate the website. If you have any questions, please let me know. Post it to one of those forums, and we'll get that answered for you. But I am really looking forward to this semester and working with you all. And you'll see me again here in the next video that you take a look at. So take care.